Hey YouTubers, this is Gamer Guy Thomas here, and continuing on with Tomb Raider 1, we will be doing the Atlantis levels in Natla's mines. Alright, so you start underwater, which is where you left off in the cutscene. Alright, and the first thing you'll notice is that you have no guns, because that guy in the cutscene took away your pistols. Alright, so when you swim, you want to swim all the way over to this waterfall. Swim back up. Alright, now when you turn to the left, there is a switch, and that opens the door somewhere else. But basically, you don't want to go up there because there is a locked door up there which will open. Alright, so to get to that open door, you have to come over here. And pull this block out. And there we go. Alright, and that opened the door up that hill when we pulled the switch to open that door. Alright, so let's go all the way back over there, because in this level you do tend to go back and forth most of the time. Alright. And open that door. Just do the run and jump over here. Alright, when she enters this room, you'll notice she immediately looks up on that shed thing, and basically inside there are her pistols. And there's a med pack right here. Alright, and basically, in order to get up there, we need to collect 3 fuse boxes. Something like that. And you place them in there, and each one drops the shed or house thing down slightly. And when you put all 3 of them in, it'll immediately drop and you get the pistols. Alright, I'll show you how to get the first fuse box, which is right over here. Just run over here and the door will open. Alright, I'm gonna save it, because basically this is a boulder run. And okay, now you'll notice that there are these like hurdle things, and up there is a slope, but basically there's a boulder and you have to race a boulder to go to the other side to get the first fuse box. Alright. Okay, this ain't good. And there we go. And so if you fail that, you have to go all the way back around to get in there. Alright, so here's the first fuse box. So let's come up here. Uh-oh. You have to be careful in this level, because there are a lot of boulder traps. which come out of nowhere. Alright, so we're back out here in the same room, and basically we have to, in order to get out, we have to climb up here and go back over here. Alright, so that's one down. Alright, now to get the second one, up there on that shed thing there is a platform, or a false platform, and basically to get over there we're gonna have to move this block out a bit. Alright, and there's a hole up there. We're gonna have to pull this underneath where the hole is, because we will fall down that hole, and if we don't have the block to break our fall, we'll die. Well, probably not, we'll just take damage quite a lot. Okay, a bit more. Alright, and that should be fine. Alright, so let's come over here. Okay. Okay, there's a switch. Alright, and that moved the boat in the main area down the bottom, because that will now allow us to get somewhere where we weren't allowed to go before. Alright, let me just check, see what's over here. Alright, now in here as you can see there's a conveyor belt, and that's where the third and final fuse box is, and we can't get it, so we have to pull a switch in order to get the conveyor belt moving. So we'll do that later on. So let's get the second one now. Alright, so when you come back out here, you don't need to do that jumping, you can just drop down, because that leads us to the main area. Alright, so let's swim up to this boat. Now, originally you could not get over there because the actual platform is too big to grab onto, so let's do a run and jump. And climb up these boxes. Okay. Alright, you have to do this box puzzle. Now, as you can see, this room is filled with Natla boxes, but basically only one of these is movable, and it happens to be this one right here, which is a darker in tone and has a crack through the Natla logo. So let's pull this out. Okay. And let's push it over here. Alright, so once you've done that, we're just gonna pull this one out. And again. and pull it out from here. And we can now go through. Alright, and that's back in the room where we jumped over that box. Alright, so yeah, originally that drill thing was blocking our way, so we can now come over here, and we want to push this block a couple times. Alright. Now, we want to go up there, but I'm not going to go there yet, because there's the second fuse box I'm going to collect. And that happens to be down over here. There it is. Alright. Now you'll notice this big room. You cannot go any further, because as soon as you walk on any tile in front of you, it's gonna spawn a gunfight. And basically we have to fight in this level. We have to fight the 3 henchmen of Natla, and in this room we're gonna have to fight the cowboy who took away our pistols. And basically we can't kill him because we don't have any guns, obviously. So basically we have to get our guns first, then come back in here. Alright, there are Uzi clips. Alright, and that opened the door in the area where I showed you where the conveyor belt is, and that